Good day, Kokomo and Howard County. This is Mayor Tyler Moore. I wanted to take an opportunity to touch base with everyone in regards to, obviously, the crisis that we're all facing. As I've mentioned in many comments before, these are unprecedented times, and I appreciate the fact that everyone is being understanding of what local governments are doing, the medical community, their efforts in what is being expected of them, and our first responders as well for their diligence in still keeping our community safe. Obviously, with the recent passing of the ordinance by the county commissioners, that ordinance that I support wholeheartedly, there were stronger restrictions placed upon the community. One in particular that I wanted to address was the travel advisory. Obviously, the advisory is going to be heightened to a level of orange, which means essential traffic to and from work, to and from medical facilities, to and from grocery or food convenience stores, pharmacies, those again that are considered essential to meet the needs of our community and its citizens are to be permitted only. It is not the county's intention, nor is it mine, to support any type of additional heightened level to red, which would completely shut down the community. I know there's been a lot of talk and rumors that we will be going to a travel advisory of red, but I can confidently and comfortably assure you that that is not going to be the case. Obviously, folks do need to get around and to get to work, to stores, to family and to friends. And so that essential travel is permitted under that level. And so again, we are not going to a red travel advisory here in Kokomo and Howard County. The other restrictions listed in the ordinance were those of essential businesses, those identified as such. One of the caveats before the list of essential services is that that list included but was not limited to those businesses that are listed. We completely understand that every business is essential to the economic strength and benefit of this community. And we are empathetic to those that are dealing with layoffs and the struggles they have to keep their doors open. But again, we ask everyone to understand, to cooperate and assist, again, in these trying times, and adhere to those restrictions and close your businesses to the public. Now, we understand that there may be the need to deep clean. There may need to be the opportunity for businesses to inventory, to address certain needs that they may have. And again, we ask that you close your doors to the public. If there are services that you provide that are needed in an essential or emergency type of situation to our citizens, please continue to adhere to the CDC regulations and social distancing, and do your part to help mitigate the spread. We applaud our friends at FCA and GM and Haynes International here locally in their decisions to close their facilities for the time being, so that again, they can help control and contain the spread or potential spread of the virus. And so in doing so, they're protecting their employees, and a lot of those efforts came from the requests of our UAW locally and within the region. So again, thank you to our UAW friends for their willingness to make an additional sacrifice to help protect those in our community and in their families. But again, that list of essential businesses was discussed and compiled by our administration, the county government, as well as Department of Health. And so again, not meant to inconvenience or burden small businesses, but again, we'll all get through this, and we appreciate and applaud your efforts in doing so. And it is our hope and our prayer that by taking these strong, proactive measures, we'll all do our part to help flatten the curve in this crisis. Knowing that these restrictions have placed those burdens on small businesses and on individuals, in the comments below this video, we will be placing or listing information for websites and contact numbers for SBA loans that will be made available to businesses, the links to unemployment claims and such. And within the city administration, we have designated a small task force that will be made available if businesses or individuals have questions regarding the filings or claims or additional direction they may need. So I encourage you to call up to the mayor's office at 765-456-7444, and you'll be directed to an individual on that task force that can help give you any type of guidance, information, or direction you may need to search for the assistance that will help. And obviously, the federal government has created and passed a stimulus package, and so details of those will be forthcoming, and we will continue to inform the citizens when information is made available for that. So once again, we know these are difficult times and unprecedented, and our hearts do go out to everyone. Again, thank you to the citizens of Kokomo and Howard County for your understanding, your patience, and assistance in helping address this need, address this crisis, mitigate the spread. And special thanks most especially to the medical professionals, the nurses, the staff, the doctors that are sacrificing hours upon hours. We can't begin to imagine what you are enduring. And so again, our sincere thanks for all that you do for our community and to protect and treat those that are in most need. So with that, again, Kokomo, I thank you. The phrase has always been coined in recent years that we are Kokomo strong. And what is being done now is evidence of that, and I am confident that we will come through this even Kokomo stronger. So again, take care, hanker down. We appreciate and the efforts that are being made and the sacrifices by all. And again, feel free to reach out to us if you have questions or concerns, either again 456-7444, or shoot me an email at mayor@cityofkokomo.org, and we'll get the information and answers you need as soon as possible. Take care and God bless.